Hi, friends. Good to see you guys again. Today I'm going to talk about another resource that we have on our library webpage for you. And some of you may have remembered accessing this before, but I wanted you to know that World Book is back up and running, so you can access it to just find out interesting things or do some research. So let me just show you how to get to it. From the library webpage, you can scroll down and you're going to get to the World Book image. All right, so you can click on that. And it's going to ask for a login. So the login is PME student. You can see it right here. And the password is Patriot. Okay, so I'm going to type that in just so that you can see that. Patriot, and sign in. Give it a second. All right, there we go. And now it's going to take you to the page where you can see which World Book product you want. So since I'm assuming many of you guys are probably 3rd through 5th grade here in the classroom, the two options that are probably best for you guys are the kids and the student. So the kids is great and the student is great. And it kind of depends on what you want. So let me show you an example. If you go to the kids, it's going to open up an interface with a lot of images, a lot of pictures. And so you can still search just like you do anything else, but the articles are going to be just a little bit briefer, a little more accessible. You can go to, let's for example, let's go to World of Animals, all right? And then it's going to give you a choice of animals. I'm going to go with land mammals. And so it's going to give me pictures, and it's not going to be all of them, okay? These are just, it's a little bit broader categories. And so I thought I'm going to take a look at this one, the fossa. Do you remember this from the movie Madagascar? You know, like the things that everyone is like super, super scared of. Okay, so the fossa, if we click on it, we can go up here and we can see go to the exhibit or go to the article. I'll just show you what an article looks like if you haven't seen this. It's excellent. You can have it read out loud to you. It's a pretty brief description here, but it gives you the basics, right? About the fossa, how it lives in the forests of Madagascar, um, about how big it is. You can click up here for more pictures of it. Turns out there's just one. But let me show you what happens if we go back to our World Book, our main page. Let's say we do this again, and this time we want to go in as on the student one instead of the kids one. Real briefly, I will just show you the difference. So if you choose student instead, oh, nice, hyenas, scary. Um, this is apparently the featured animal. And so in here, you don't see all those pictures and options to search by, but it does give you different articles and interesting things to look at. It's super different interface, but both really excellent options for any of you guys. So I'm just going to show you the difference. I'm going to search fossa here, and that's going to take me to what looks like kind of the same picture. But in this case, if I go to the article, all right, it's giving me a basics. If I go to the article, you'll see that the article is a little bit more in detail, right? So a little bit longer, gives you a little more information. So World Book is a fantastic resource, and there's so much I can tell you about this. And those of you who I will see in person, I will do more of this. And if you're not in person, then explore this on your own. It's excellent. So until next week, find something interesting on World Book. There's an enormous amount of interesting things. So I will see you next week, and I would look forward to hearing about anything you learn. All right, bye.